Concept Global Sling Bag Review. Is it worth buying? In this video, we're taking an honest look at the Concept Global Sling Bag to find out whether it's really worth buying or just another travel accessory that's gone viral on social media. We'll cover its design, build quality, security features, real-world performance, and whether it offers good value for your money. Before we get started, if you're interested in buying this sling bag, you'll find its purchase link in the video description below. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Let's start with the design. The Concept Global Sling Bag is designed for travelers and everyday commuters who want a compact, lightweight bag that keeps their essentials organized. It's available in multiple sizes and features a minimalist crossbody design that can comfortably hold items like your phone, wallet, passport, keys, sunglasses, power bank, and other daily essentials. The water-resistant exterior and clean appearance make it suitable for both travel and everyday use. One of its biggest selling points is security. The bag includes RFID blocking pockets, lockable zippers, and a cut-resistant shoulder strap, all designed to reduce the risk of pickpocketing while traveling. These aren't gimmicks, they're practical features that many travelers appreciate, especially in crowded airports, train stations, and tourist destinations. Now let's talk about comfort. The sling bag is lightweight and easy to wear across your chest or back. Most users find it comfortable for long walks and sightseeing, and because it keeps your essentials close to your body, it's more convenient than carrying a backpack for short trips. The adjustable strap fits a wide range of body sizes, although a few users mention that the strap can loosen over time or require occasional adjustment. How about build quality? Overall, the materials feel durable, with smooth zippers and quality stitching. Many customers praise the bag's finish and everyday usability, and several buyers say they've purchased additional bags for family members after using their own. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users feel the bag is smaller than expected, especially if they plan to carry tablets or larger items. Others point out that similar-looking sling bags can be found from other brands at lower prices, although those alternatives may not include the same anti-theft features. Community discussions also note that while the Concept Global version adds features like zipper locks and reinforced straps, shoppers should compare specifications carefully before deciding. Customer service receives mixed feedback. Many buyers report fast shipping, easy returns, and responsive support. On the other hand, some customers experience delayed deliveries or communication issues. While the overall customer experience appears positive, it isn't completely consistent. So is the Concept Global Sling Bag worth buying? If you're looking for a stylish, compact travel sling with useful anti-theft features, RFID protection, and comfortable everyday carry, the answer is yes. It's particularly well-suited for travelers who want quick access to their essentials while keeping them secure. However, if your main priority is maximum storage capacity or you're simply looking for the cheapest sling bag available, there are more affordable alternatives that may better suit your needs. Here's my honest verdict. The Concept Global Sling Bag delivers a good balance of security, comfort, and everyday practicality. While it's not the least expensive sling bag on the market, its anti-theft features and travel-focused design help justify the higher price for frequent travelers. Just make sure you choose the right size for your needs before ordering. If you'd like to check the latest price or purchase this sling bag, you'll find its purchase link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and buying guides, and let me know in the comments which travel accessory you'd like me to review next.